Riding a motorcycle at night is indeed highly enjoyable for many riders, precisely because the challenges it presents also create unique rewards and a different atmosphere from daytime riding. Many riders find the nighttime experience to be more serene, focused, and immersive. Riding at night is a meditative experience for me personally. Because your field of vision is restricted to the beam of your headlight, your mind is forced to focus entirely on the present moment, the sounds, the immediate road surface, and your inputs. This intense focus creates a state of flow or midnight zen, where everyday worries disappear. The dark side of your surroundings creates a magic and amazing world. The other main appeal of night riding is the dramatic reduction in traffic. Once rush hour is over, the roads in cities and on highways often empty out. This allows you to ride without the stress of constant traffic, slow-moving vehicles, and frequent starting and stopping. With less traffic, you can often maintain a more consistent, enjoyable speed, making the ride feel effortless and fluid. In many regions, especially places like here, where daytime temperatures can be high, riding at night offers a welcome reprieve. Nights are fresher, calmer, and more romantic. Nights can be longer than daytime, 3 seasons long. Too much time to enjoy. The cooler air after sunset makes wearing protective gear far more comfortable and prevents overheating, allowing you to enjoy the ride without distraction of intense heat. The world looks dramatically different under the moonlight and street lights. Riding through a major city at night turns the urban landscape into a tunnel of shimmering lights, reflections on the asphalt, and neon glows, a completely different, often beautiful perspective than the daytime view. On a remote, unlit country road, the dark sky allows for an incredible view of the stars, making the ride feel like a lonely but awe-inspiring adventure. Air humidity significantly influences visibility and riding comfort at night, and it primarily does so by causing your helmet visor to fog. This phenomenon is a major safety concern for motorcycle riders after dark, and the effect is more pronounced at night because the air temperature tends to drop, maximizing the conditions for condensation. Visibility issues related to humidity are almost entirely due to condensation or fogging on the inside of your helmet visor. Here the air is dry most of the time, even though it's much cooler than during the day, which is more convenient to ride at night compared to other places in the world. If you ride prepared with proper gear and a defensive mindset, motorcycle riding at night can be one of the most uniquely peaceful and rewarding ways to experience the open road. Riding a motorcycle at night can be a thrilling experience, but it requires heightened awareness and preparation due to reduced visibility. The core principles are see better and be seen better, combined with a defensive riding strategy.